So here, see, we can take all this disc out. So now there are no discs. Now make number 3. We can make number 3. This is number 3. So this is basically quantitative value of number. 3 means what? Like 3 means 3 things. So now there are 3 discs. So this is number 3. So we have made number 3 using one color. We can make, so now next can be make number 5 using 2 colors. So I will make number 5 using 2 colors. So number 5 using 2 colors. So this is number 5 using 2 colors. I can make number 5 using 1 color also. This is like different ways of making number. Like that I can make with number 5 using 1 color also. If you put one more, so like we will make number 5 with all the green. And here we are make number 5 using 2 colors. Make number 5, make 20 using 4 colors. Make 20. So different numbers can be made with this. And children understand the quantitative value of numbers. So if you want, like suppose if I ask, give me 5. Give me 5 means what? Like we don't know what 5. The number 5 has an associative property. 5 means 5 something, 5 things, 5 pencil, 5 eraser or 5 disc, whatever. So each number has a quantitative value. So we teach that quantitative value using this disc board. Like when we say A, B, C, D, A doesn't have a value, B doesn't have a value, C doesn't have a value, but 1 has a value, 2 has a value. So with this, we teach the value. What does 4 means? 4 means 4 things. What is the value of 4? What is the value of 5? So that value, this quantitative value is taught using this disc board. And that is why it is important. It is important in the sense, like, if we must have seen that many children, even when we grow up to an adult, we keep using this hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, for counting. Why do we do that? Like even now, even I do that sometimes when we start using our hands for counting. So we do that because each number has a value. And to understand the concept of value, we need something concrete to represent. So in finger, we do this 1, 2, 3, 4, like that we count. Something concrete is there. It helps us in counting. We connect with it. So that is why these concrete materials help children to understand, relate numbers with its value. Like 5, relate 5 with the value of 5. Relate 9 with the value of 9. Like that, the associative property of a number, a child is able to understand.